Hello, I'm Sean from Esri UK, and this video is on Pulse. Pulse is an application Esri UK innovation team have recently created, and what it does is it animates any public feature layer. So how it works is you give it a public facing feature layer, and then you can select a field that's inside that feature layer to animate it against. Then you're also prompted to change the duration, if need be, of the animation. So I've got a URL in here, being the average prices that's displayed as polygons, and I'm animating it for 12 seconds. So what it'd do is it automatically finds the min and the max in that field and then animate it. It's just as simple as that. And it doesn't just work on polygons, it works on lines and points as well. So this is another data set of hurricanes, and I'm animating it against wind over 5 seconds. And you may notice that the performance is pretty decent, because it's using one of the new technologies available, which is WebGL. So I'm going to just quickly show you here what it looks like with a point data set of around 80,000 points. And you can see that it animates them no problem at all. So there is more information about WebGL and a blog post I've written alongside this Pulse application that I'll put in the description of this video. And if you're wondering how you can put your own data sets inside this, it's very, very simple. So if you've created content or you want to search for some content in ArcGIS Online, once you've found a public feature layer that you want to add, simply select where it says service URL, copy this, and then inside the Pulse application, purely just paste in the URL and then select the field you want to animate it against. It's that simple to use. Now, I did mention at the very start of the video that it is an open application, so feel free to download this code locally to change things like the style, the base map, the color, the width, the look and feel of the application. It's very, very simple to get started and work with. So one I've created earlier is animating the size of a point instead of animating the opacity. So you may have noticed before that they kind of fade in and fade out. So in this sample they actually just grow, get bigger, and then shrink and get smaller. So it's that same hurricane point data set I showed you before, but instead we're just animating it on size rather than opacity. And also notice that I've changed the different symbology for each of the points. So more information of what you can animate is also going to be available in the blog post that I've written, which is on GeoNet, and again will be in the description of this video. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.